Hello friends, welcome back to Laravel tutorial. We are discussing about some quick tricks on array. Alright, suppose you have a array with multiple values and you want to set the value randomly, means you want to change the position of your array randomly. So how you can do this? Means just like if you have some curves and you want to shuffle that. Okay, so how you can do this? Suppose you have an array like this, okay, and I want to change the position of the array randomly. Suppose if I just print that array, so you can see this is the numbers and these are appearing. Actually this is my array. I have to change the position of the array, means maybe the 30 will come before the 10 or 70 will come before the 50, means just shuffle that array. So how we can do this? So for that we have array helper function. We don't need to think about that things. So we have array helper function. So eliminate support array, use that things into your application and you can access any array related function. So simply just store the value into the array and just use the shuffle, okay, and just pass the array numbers, okay, and just store these things into the numbers. So something, suppose new array, okay, and just print the new array, okay. So it will get getting the output with the shuffled value, okay. Now refresh this. So we are getting the position is changed, that is 60, 20, 80, 30, a random changing, okay. So now if you refresh again, this is changing randomly, so it will change automatically, okay. So this is the shuffle function. Sometimes you need very much into your application, so hope you can understand how easily we can do shuffle into a Laravel application. So still, if you have any queries about this video, please comment in the below comment section. And next day we are going to discuss about another interesting thing on array. So please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.